Have you ever wondered why the same filament sticks perfectly on one printer but refuses to stick on another? The answer is often the print bed surface. Many beginners focus on the nozzle, filament, or slicer settings, but the build plate is just as important. Different bed materials offer different levels of adhesion, durability, maintenance, and ease of use. In this video, I'll explain the most common 3D printer bed types, their advantages, disadvantages, and which one is best for your printing needs. Welcome to our channel, Clone Print Lab, where we explain everything about 3D printing. Now, let's get started. What does the print bed actually do? The print bed provides the surface where the first layer is deposited. A good bed surface should hold the print securely during printing, release the part easily after cooling, resist scratches and wear, provide consistent adhesion. The quality of your first layer often determines whether a print succeeds or fails. Glass beds. Glass beds were extremely popular for many years. They provide a very flat surface and can produce a smooth, glossy finish on the bottom of prints. Advantages: excellent flatness, easy to clean, inexpensive, great bottom surface finish. Disadvantages: prints may require glue stick or hairspray, heavier than other surfaces, can crack if mishandled, parts sometimes stick too well. Glass works particularly well for PLA. PEI sheets. Today, PEI is one of the most popular build surfaces. PEI stands for polyether amide. Many modern printers ship with PEI-coated spring steel sheets. Advantages: excellent adhesion when hot, easy release when cool, minimal maintenance, works with many materials. Disadvantages: can be scratched by improper nozzle height, may require occasional cleaning and replacement. For most users, PEI offers the best balance of convenience and performance. Smooth PEI versus textured PEI. There are actually two common PEI finishes. Smooth PEI produces glossy bottoms, better detail reproduction, strong adhesion. Textured PEI creates a matte finish, hides first layer imperfections, easier part removal. Many enthusiasts keep both types available. BuildTak and similar surfaces. BuildTak was one of the first popular adhesion sheets. These surfaces are designed to improve first layer grip. Advantages: strong adhesion, easy installation, works without additional adhesives. Disadvantages: can wear out over time, parts may stick excessively, surface damage is possible during removal. They are still used but have largely been replaced by PEI systems. Garolite, or G10. Garolite has become popular among users printing nylon and engineering materials. Advantages: excellent for nylon, durable, minimal warping issues. Disadvantages: less common, may require experimentation with settings. If you print a lot of nylon, Garolite is worth considering. Specialized surfaces. Some manufacturers offer specialized build plates designed for specific materials. Examples include polypropylene surfaces for polypropylene filament, carbon fiber compatible surfaces, high-temperature engineering material plates. These are typically used in advanced applications. Flexible spring steel plates. Modern printers often use magnetic spring steel systems. The surface can be removed and flexed to release prints. Advantages: easy print removal, fast turnaround between prints, convenient operation. Disadvantages: magnets may weaken at extremely high temperatures. Surface coating eventually wears out. For most hobbyists, this is currently the preferred solution. Which bed type should you choose? For beginners, choose PEI-coated spring steel. For maximum bottom surface quality, choose smooth glass or smooth PEI. For easy print removal, choose textured PEI on spring steel. For nylon printing, consider Garolite. For general purpose printing, PEI remains the most versatile option available today. The print bed plays a major role in print success. Glass offers excellent flatness. PEI provides outstanding convenience. BuildTak offers strong grip. Garolite excels with nylon, and flexible spring steel systems make part removal easier than ever. If you're struggling with first layer adhesion, upgrading your build surface might be the simplest improvement you can make. If you found this video helpful, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel, Clone Print Lab. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!